Now we shall discuss the next concept, that is nature of the roots. What is the concept? Nature of the roots. Nature of roots. How the roots will be. Now we got the roots of the equation, quadratic equation, by solving the method factorization, completing square method, and one more is formula method. In formula method, we used the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula we used. Now this term, that is b square minus 4ac term, we say it as a discriminant. What is that? B square minus 4ac. This term we say it as what? Discriminant. Now in last classes we have solved some questions. In those we are getting this term discriminant as for some questions we are getting this discriminant as negative, means less than 0. For some questions you are getting this term as 0. For some questions you are getting this term as positive. It means greater than 0. First you think nothing but greater than 0 also you are getting. This term as discriminant as 0 also getting. And discriminant as less than 0 means negative also you are getting. We can decide the nature of the roots by using this factor only. If we calculate this factor, we can judge how the roots will be. So that term we can say it as what? Discriminant. Okay. So nature of the roots can be decided by the factor. We can call that factor as a b square minus 4ac. That is discriminant. We can call that factor as a discriminant. Now I will write the discriminant b square minus 4ac. If suppose this is greater than 0, means it is positive, greater than 0. If discriminant is positive, then quadratic equation always must have two roots. So how the roots will be? If the discriminant is greater than 0, the roots will be two distinct real roots will be there. For any quadratic equation you can take, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then you will get two distinct real roots. Distinct is nothing but different. Okay, so different two real roots you will get. Okay, two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots when it is discriminant is greater than 0, means it is positive. B square minus 4ac is positive. If suppose b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, for some problems you are getting this term also as 0. If suppose this is equal to 0, then you are getting two equal real roots. Two equal real roots. The roots are real, means real numbers. The roots are real. Even though they are equal, you should get equal roots. Means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 3 by 4, 3, 3. 4, 4 like this. Okay. So you should get two equal real roots when it is discriminant equal to 0. And one more is negative. B square minus 4ac less than 0. In the last classes, we have discussed some problems. We are getting that this term as a negative. In that case, we said that there is no real roots, we said, or the roots are not exist, we said. Okay. So it means if the b square minus 4ac term is less than 0, then we can say that no real roots. The roots are not real. So if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the two roots will be there, but they are not real. So roots are not real. Okay. So instead of this, we can say them as also as the roots are imaginary, or you can say that or roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. No real roots, or the roots are imaginary. Okay, this is for a b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay, we will solve some questions based on this concept only. They will come to know. So first you write the nature of the roots heading, then after you can copy these four terms. Okay, so b square minus 4ac we can say that factor as discriminant. Okay, these are the nature of the roots.